Basic newborn resuscitation program. When the baby remains in the mother womb, he totally depends on mother for all his living. But soon after the birth, the baby has to breathe to satisfy his need. Around 90% baby do not require any intervention during this transition, but 10% baby required assistance to breathe at birth. Ideally, at every birth, the presence of NRP is must. So in this video, we'll see about the basics of NRP. Preparation for birth.
Preparation of person.
Madam, please brief me about mother condition. What is the gestational age of baby, ma'am?
It is 38 weeks.
And the age of mother?
30 years old.
Number of babies?
Single.
And is there any other illness like eclampsia, preeclampsia, polyhydramnios, oligohydramnios?
No.
Okay, thank you. Do you know how to take heart rate using stethoscope?
Yes.
There is a contact list number of hospital, doctor and ambulance. If there is any need, please let me know.
Alright, I'll take care of it.
Okay.
Preparation of place. Close all the doors and windows. Switch off fan and AC. Switch on the radiant warmer 20 minutes before the delivery. Wet your hand with water. Apply soap. Rub the hand palm to palm, back of the palm, interlace, interlocking. Rotate the finger in opposite palm, thumb rotation, wrist rotation. Rinse the hand. Dry the hand.
Preparation for equipment.
Keep 2 clean sheets in radiant warmer.
Solder roll, sterile gloves, cotton swab, mucus extractor, ventilation bag with 2 number of masks, 0 for preterm, 1 for term baby. Reservoir bag with oxygen tubing. Cord clamp, cord cutting scissor, vitamin K injection with needle and syringe, ID band, suction machine and oxygen source.
Check the function of bag and mask as shown in video. Fill air on palm. Form a seal between mask and palm. Squeeze the bag enough for the pop-off valve to open. Heard the sound. Check the bag is re-inflate quickly after release it.
Birth and routine care.
Baby is born. Please note the time of birth.
It's 3:41 p.m.
Receive the baby and keep on mother's abdomen. Turn the head on one side. If there is secretion from nose and mouth, wipe it. Dry the baby thoroughly.
Discard the wet sheet. Baby is crying.
Yes, baby is crying.
Then continue with the routine care. Continue skin to skin contact. Ensure baby is breathing well. Clamp and cut the cord between 1 to 3 minutes.
Keep baby on mother chest, skin to skin contact continuously. Advise mother to start breastfeeding. Keep a checking on baby's breathing, color and temperature.
Is baby is breathing?
No, baby is not breathing.
If baby is not breathing well, provide initial steps. Tell mother your baby is not breathing well. Immediately cut the cord and transfer the baby in radiant warmer. First step of initial step is position the baby. Baby should be lying on the back and neck slightly extended. Sniffing position need to give. If swelling on a head due to molding, edema and prematurity, then use shoulder roll to attain the correct posture. Second step is clear the airway. First, do the suction from mouth, then nose. During suction from mouth, the insertion depth should not exceed 5 cm beyond the lip. And during suction from nose, the insertion depth should not exceed 2 cm beyond. Remember, deep and prolonged suctioning may lead to bradycardia. If you are using suction machine, make sure pressure should not exceed 80 to 100 mm of Hg. Suction should not more than 5 seconds and apply the suction while withdrawing the tube. Third step is to stimulate the baby to breathe. For that, gently rub the back of the baby once or twice. Remember, some older method of stimulation like slapping the back, shaking the baby, squeezing the rib cage, pushing the thighs into abdomen are dangerous and it harm to the baby. Fourth step is reposition the baby as discussed earlier. If baby is breathing well, shift the baby with mother for observational care. Observation care include keep baby on mother chest, skin to skin contact continuously. Advise mother to start breastfeeding. Keep a checking on baby's breathing, color and temperature. Monitor TPR every 15 minutes in first hour and every 30 minutes in next 1 hour.
Bag and mask ventilation first 30 seconds.
It is the most important step in newborn resuscitation. If after providing initial steps, baby is not breathing, start ventilating with bag and mask. First, ensure the airway is clear. If there are any secretion, again do suction first from mouth and then nose. So there is no obstruction in ventilating the baby. You should position yourself at the head end of the baby or side of baby to allow you to hold mask on the baby face comfortably and have an unobstructed view of the abdomen and the chest. Method to place mask on the face. Select appropriate size of mask for preterm babies 0 number and for term babies select 1 number mask. The mask should place on the face so that it covers chin, mouth and nose. Make sure mask should not cover any part of the eyes. Apply the mask with cupping method. With remaining finger, bring the chin forward to maintain a pattern airway. Ensure during applying mask, you should not rest your finger on baby's eye and also make sure your finger are not pressing the windpipe. Start bag and mask ventilation with adequate pressure. Breathe 2, 3. 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 Is chest rise is present?
Yes, chest rise is present.
Then continue bag and mask ventilation for 30 seconds. Breathe 2, 3. 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 Check for spontaneous breath. Like respiration should be 40 to 60 per minute. Bilateral chest rise. No chest retraction and no grunting. If spontaneous breathing is present, then slowly reduce rate of ventilation and stop it. Breathe 2, 3, 4. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Observational care include skin to skin contact continuously. Advise mother to start breastfeeding. Keep a checking on baby's breathing, color and temperature. Monitor TPR every 15 minutes in first hour and every 30 minutes in next 1 hour. If chest rise is not adequate after 5 breaths, then you should immediately take steps to ensure chest rise. If there is no chest rise after initial 5 breaths, take the following 2 corrective steps. First step is reposition the baby with slightly extending the neck. Reapply the mask to the face and try to form a better seal. Now again start ventilating a baby. Breathe 2, 3. 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 If after 5 breaths chest is not rising, then take a second corrective steps. Second corrective step is check the mouth for secretion. Suction the mouth and then nose. increase the pressure by squeezing the bag with more force until there is visible movement of chest. Breathe 2, 3. 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 Is chest rise is present?
Yes, chest rise is present.
If baby is breathing well, shift the baby with mother for observational care. Observational care include skin to skin contact continuously. Advise mother to start breastfeeding. Keep a checking on baby's breathing, color and temperature. Monitor TPR every 15 minutes in first hour and every 30 minutes in next 1 hour. After providing adequate bag and mask ventilation, assist the baby for breathing. If baby is not breathing, then call for help.
Mrs. Swati, attach the oxygen.
If more than 40% of oxygen is required, then only attach the reservoir bag. Check the heart rate using the stethoscope. Stethoscope should be placed on left side of the chest. Now count the heartbeat for 6 seconds and multiply it by 10. For example, if there are 12 heartbeat in 6 seconds, then 12 into 10 is equal to 120 beats per minute. If heart rate is more than 100 beats per minute and the baby is breathing, slowly reduce the rate of ventilation and stop it. If the heart rate is less than 100 per minute, ensure the chest rise. Continue ventilation with bag and mask and call for doctor. If a healthcare worker trained in full NRP is not available at your facility, then immediately arrange for shifting the baby to a higher center. When to stop resuscitation? Bag and mask ventilation should be continued until the baby establishes spontaneous breathing. However, if there are no sign of life to begin with, no breathing, no heart sound and no movement, and remain so even after 10 minutes of birth, ventilation may be stopped. If there are any sign of life during resuscitation, then the resuscitation effort must continue for 30 minutes before terminating the same. When withdrawing and withholding resuscitation, care should be focused on comfort and dignity of the baby and family.